How to replace the heatsink. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, left fan, and right fan. Removal. Note, the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 8 screws. Remove the 8 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor components in numerical order. Peel back the retention tape that secures the wireless antenna cables to the heatsink. Note, due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the motherboard. Carefully lift the heatsink off of the motherboard and remove. Note, before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Reverse this procedure to install the heatsink.